guys, it's Tiff back again for another Monday video, and we are a day late due to me being sick, but thanks for being patient with me, and we're going to get right down to it. And I'm just tinkering here with a few things that I have close by on my desk to determine what in the world I'm going to do today. And so I'm going in here with my Deco Arts gesso. I love that you can just scoop it right up in that tub, a little jar. It fits beautifully with my beloved palette knife. And I'm going in here with some drywall tape, I believe is what this is. You can get it at like Home Depot or any hardware store. And I'm just going to push it into the gesso and then pick it up, just creating some texture into the page. And I'm going to dry this very well with my heat gun. And then I'm coming back with some alcohol inks. This is watermelon and teakwood, I believe, that I'm going to go in here and just make a few drops. And there might have been another color that I forgot about now that I'm looking at that. And I'm just going to go in and kind of drop that onto the gesso. And I'm taking some alcohol, regular alcohol that you have in your medicine cabinet. And I'm going in there and just dabbling and kind of making it drip and create some watercolory effects. And you'll see that your paint is going to, the alcohol ink is going to react differently on gesso versus non-gessoed surface. So I thought it would be kind of cool to kind of let that happen. And then I'm going to go in with my beloved brayer and just kind of push that gesso around. And I'm going in here with the Heidi Swapp spray, Color Shine, I think it is. And I'm going in here with the teal color because I thought it would just lend a very beautiful shade to the colors that we had going on. And it was close by, which is always a win. And I'm going to go in here and make sure that it's all dry. I'm going back in with my Prismacolor pencil. That is aquamarine. And I'm just going in and kind of making some messy scribbles that I love. I just love scribbles. I can't help it. And I'm going in here with my Derwent's pencil. Any pencil will do, whatever you have close at hand. And I'm just going to make a few marks. Just a few little dashes to kind of get some of the movement into the page going. And now I was trying to take my Lyra graphite pencil and make some grungy marks, but I realized that my graphite pencil had like acrylic paint on the tip, so it wasn't really coming off because, well, y'all know I'm messy like that, and so that's what happened. So I went in and took the I'm just dropping the shavings that I took from the graphite pencil, and I'm just dropping it on there with some water and letting those shavings kind of create some texture inside of that gesso. I'm trying to show you there how the dark graphite is kind of absorbing into that texture that we already created, and we've got a lot of layers going on here. I always say just layer until it feels good to you. And then I'm picking it up like I often do, and just kind of moving it around the page there. But I really like the graphite shavings because you couldn't be too particular with it, and so I think it kind of added a fun, grungy layer to the overall journal page here. And this today was just all about exploring, trying different things. I decided that I wanted to add some hand stitching. So I'm taking some DMC floss, some embroidery floss, and I'm just going to take like 3 strands. It comes in 6 strands. So I just broke off like 3 strands, and that's what I'm using just to make taking that golden color from the alcohol inks, and I'm going to use it to go around here in this little area and just make some nice fun textures here. I love what stitching adds in that pop of like gold color from the top where the alcohol ink was, kind of made my eye move around. So I really liked it. And then I'm just going to secure it in the back, cut it off, and just like that, I'm through with the stitching there. I don't even know what that is. Oh, that was a piece of a little bitty piece of pastel. Like, hold up, where'd that come from? And then I'm just going to go in with Stabilo All, and I'm just writing the words freedom because that's what kind of came up as I was doing this page, is the freedom to try new things, the freedom to experience and explore different ideas. And I'm hoping that you can see the yummy textures there. But that drywall tape really added to it. And remember, on Monday's journal, we always take the opposite side and write our recipe that we used for that Monday. So I'm just going to take a quick minute to jot down all of the supplies that I used over to the left hand side, just in case I want to reference it back or think, man, what was that color again? How did I do that? Being able to incorporate your recipe over to the side is a great way to be able to learn and explore how things happened on the page, because I know if you're like me, once the page is done and you've moved away from that particular piece, you may or may not remember exactly how you came up with that page. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I really, really, really hope that you will go click the subscribe button, give me the thumbs up, or leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my videos. If there's something in particular you'd like for me to try, holla at your girl. Let me know. I will do my very best. I hope you had a splendid week. And until next time, guys, toodaloo.